Okay, so let's begin. Let's close our eyes, ground ourselves. Just put all of y'all on mute. Let's breathe in and out. And as we breathe in and out, let's try and visualize that we are one with the nature around us. You can decide who you want to be one with, whether you want to be with Mother Earth, the air around you, the sun, the trees, the birds, whoever you want to be one with. So hint, if you want to be one with Mother Earth, just visualize that you're standing on Mother Earth and you have roots connected to Mother Earth. If it's one with the trees, visualize yourself hugging the tree, getting energy from the trees. If it is the sun, you can just put your arms out and invite the sun into your life. And similarly with air. So you breathe in pure air and ask the air to cleanse you from inside and expel all the dirty negative energies out of your nose. Okay? And you can do the same with all the elements. And then the last, so you have fire, which is the sun, and you have space. So space we will go a little later. So just do the 4 elements. Pick your choice. Now once you have grounded yourself, you are in the moment, think of the wish, the goal that you're planning to have, and hold it in your hand, the piece of paper on which you have written the goal. Hold it in your hand, in between your hands, like in between your palms. Okay? And now say that 10 times, whatever your goal is, in the present tense, first, second, or third person, whichever works for you. Okay? Once done, you have a piece of paper with you, right? So take this wish, put it on the top of the paper, and put your glass of water on top of that piece that you have written. Okay? So it's going to be like this. So the paper, on top of that your wish, and on top of that you put the water. So what we are going to do is water manifestation of our wish. And now hold that glass, actually you can even do it like this. Hold this glass of water and say your wish again another 10 times. Because then your wish is going into this water.
But the paper is on the...
No, keep the paper.
Sorry?
Just keep it, just hold
Okay.
in between your hands.
Okay. Done. Sorry.
And once it's done, you can put the glass on top of the paper that you have written your wish. And what you will do is throughout the day, you will sip this water, okay, and think of your wish every time you drink this water. So since it's only a glass, it might not last you for the day. What you can do is take the glass, pour it into a bottle of water that you usually use to drink, and you can then drink out of that larger bottle, okay. So you are mindful that every time you drink the water, you are going to think of your wish throughout the day. And you can do this every day for the week. Okay. Now, the blank sheet of paper, what we'll do is, most of you all have done vision boarding or treasure map. It's the same thing. So on that piece of paper, we are going to put in all the elements of the wish fulfillment. Okay. So wherever you say of being kind or having more energy or being calm, what are the things you need to bring into your life for manifesting that? Put that down on that piece of paper. Okay. You can draw, you can write. Later on, if you have the time, if you have magazines at home, you can cut paper, pictures, and put it on that. Or you can on your screen create a doodle and take a print out of that, whichever way. So it's basically a visual representation of how you are going to manifest your goal. Okay. So open your eyes, on that piece of paper, just jot down, okay, so to be kind, what do I need? I need to speak kindly to my spouse, to the helpers around us, to the watchmen, to the people in office. They need to speak nicely to me. I need to speak nicely to myself. I need to do something nice for myself so that I'm kind to myself. So all those kind of things you write down, you draw or you write.
Sharmila, we have to still keep the paper on which we've written the wish on top and then write everything below that.
Yeah, or around it. You can even put it in the center, because you are seeing you are seeing the wish, and in your mind you are thinking, okay, for this manifestation, what do I need to do? Okay.
Why can't I simply write it on this new paper?
The wish? Because that you're going to put under your paper, under your water, no?
Or the wish remains under the water?
Yeah.
Not on the paper then?
On the paper, so the wish is on the paper, the water is on the wish, so that it is just taking in more of your wish.
Understood.
That's what.
But while writing, of course, I take it out and then...
Yeah, you can put it back in. And similarly, any wish you want, you can always write, put it under the water and drink that water.
The key, I think, is to constantly think of the wish while drinking the water.
Yes.
Is that
also?
Nice.
Okay. So once it's done, we will just do a short meditation on this whole thing, about this, like how we did yesterday. So let me add one more into this. We will not talk about it much. Today we talked about colors. With colors also come chakras. So maybe we will do that tomorrow, and we'll concentrate on the chakras that are needed for this. Okay. But just a quick this thing. Energy is basic chakra. Kindness is heart chakra. And calmness is throat chakra. A mix of throat and solar plexus. So each of you all concentrate on that part. The basic chakra is at the base of your spine. And they are the same colors. Basic chakra is red, the heart chakra is pink, the throat chakra is blue. Okay, so let's complete this. Let's just do the meditation. So close your eyes. The paper which is in front of you, you can actually just place your hand on it, so you are connected with what you've written. You can place it on the paper, you can place it on the water, you can even put it like this on top of the water. Hold the water in one hand and put your hand, the other hand on top of it. Whichever one works for you. Okay? And let's meditate. Let's close our eyes. Let's ask for divine blessings to the Divine Father, Divine Mother, to all the spirits of the universe, the angels, the devas, devyas, gurus, Grandmaster. Thank you for being with us always. Thank you for blessing us always. Please help us manifest this goal properly, rapidly, completely, in the best form possible. Now visualize your goal. And visualize all the things that you have written on that piece of paper, on the treasure map. You are creating a movie. You are the actor, director, producer of that movie. So live your wish through that movie. You're doing the right thing, you're saying the right things, you're feeling the right emotions, you're thinking the right thoughts. You're eating the right food. As you are doing it, you might have some blockages which are coming up, saying, this will not happen, this cannot happen. So tell those thoughts, take a break. I will come back to you tomorrow. We will sort you out tomorrow. Now put in all the energy that you can. Ask the nature spirit that you connected with, whether it's Mother Earth, the sun, the trees, the air. Ask them to help you. So feel that energy in your manifestation. If it is, for example, if it is the sun is shining brightly on you, filling you up with energy as you do the work in the day. And now that you've been able to do it, you've been kind, you've been calm, you've had energy, feel the happiness, the joy, the satisfaction of leading that day at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, you are now sitting back and thinking about your day and saying, yay, I was able to do it. Such a simple technique and yet so powerful. And you're filled with gratitude to the universe for helping you achieve your goal. Tap your heart and say, thank you, thank you, thank you for helping me, for being with me always, for leading me to the path that is needed for achieving my goal. Now, how we did yesterday, the ball, the pink ball, surround yourself and your goal with this brilliant pink light and say, my goal is protected from outside influences. It is a Suraksha Kavaj for me and my goal. And like yesterday, put it out into the universe and say, may my goal fructify. May it manifest in the best way possible or something better. I have full trust in the universe, in the abundance of the universe to help me achieve my goal. And once again, say your goal. I am and the movie that you had done for yourself about the goal, if you had to take one click, one Kodak moment, think of that moment and take a snapshot of that moment. And take that picture and put it in your heart. Fill it with lots of love, and then take that picture to your mind, to your conscious mind, and let it go into your subconscious mind and say, this is how I want my goal to manifest. Please help me in manifesting this. You are my friend. Help me. let's end by giving a big hug to our heart for helping us fill the world around with lots of love, and to our mind to help us manifest the goal. Say thank you for doing your best, for helping me, for being with me always. Thank you. And visualize your mind, your brain, your heart smiling and saying, no problem, we are with you always. We love being with you. And feel that love, the exchange of love between you and your heart and your mind and your brain and your subconscious mind, just going back and forth, and just be in that moment and feel the love and the determination and the manifestation. And smile as these feelings run through your body. So each and every cell of your body is listening to your wish, and they are all ready to do their best to help you manifest your goal. And let's say our wish once again, and then we will end the meditation. And once you're ready, open your eyes with a big smile. Water is 70% of your body. Okay? Water, so your body has 70% water. So anytime you want anything manifested, easiest is water.